This is Tom from Tractor Tools Direct, and you're now watching In the Field. Hey guys, it's Tom and Jeremy from Tractor Tools Direct here, day 2, out in the field making hay. Finally, we get a couple days without rain, so we are going to take full advantage of that. So yesterday, as you might have seen some of the videos, we used our TM67 drum mower by Ibex with this TYM T394 tractor. And today, we're going to get Jeremy up on the tractor, helping us out to do some tedding, because the hay is not really ready to be raked and baled yet. So it's a little bit dry, so we're going to go ahead and use our TS100 belt rake today, and we're going to get Jeremy up on the tractor, and he's going to show us how to use the tedder, and potentially at the end of the day, I don't know, you think it might be dry, we might go ahead and try to rake it too, but I know tomorrow we'll get some baling in, so stay tuned to some more videos, and we'll get this drum mower off, get the belt rake back on, and we'll see you on the next video. Hey guys, it's Tom and Jeremy from Tractor Tools Direct. We are just getting done mowing yesterday, so today we are setting up the TS100 tedder and belt rake, and so right now it is set up for raking, and we're going to show you that we're going to get it ready to be set up for tedder mode. So Jeremy, if you want to go ahead and move that hay stop arm, basically you're going to unscrew the screw over there, send out the hay stop arm, and move it to where it's out of the way. That way the hay is not stopped by the stop arm. And it's a pretty easy process there, as you'll see Jeremy doing there. And then while he's doing that, when he's done, just basically tighten everything up over there, and that's about as easy as it gets over there. And then you'd come over here to the right rear tire, and it's got some pretty easy levers here. The best way and the easiest way, since this is a really heavy-duty machine, is going to be to lift it off the ground with your 3-point hitch. That way the weight of the machine is not kind of going against you here. And I'm going to go from the bottom notch, and I'm going to raise about 3 notches off of the bottom notch. So now that means the right side of the tedder is going to be lower, and the left side of the tedder is going to be higher. And that way it's going to scoop all that hay that's in the windrow that our drum mower left on the field, and it's going to go ahead and spread it all back out. So that's as easy as it gets for belt rakes. They're really simple machines. This TS100 machine built by Ibex is extremely heavy duty, and we can't wait to put it to work today. So we'll hop on the tractor and I guess enjoy some videos of us doing some tedding, and we'll probably talk about it a little bit more, and we'll go ahead and rake probably here later today. So see you on the next video. Enjoy. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Just noticed that we just started tedding, and I noticed that there's a little adjustment that we can make, and I wanted to share a little tip with you guys on how to make this a quick adjustment. So come on and let's take a look. Hey guys, so we noticed that the machine, hopefully you can see it on this angle, the machine is pitched a little bit far forward whenever he's going on certain parts of the gear. So I just want to give you a tip on how to tell your pitch angle on your implements. With any implement, for generic purposes, you want it to be basically as flat with your, only going to know go around your feet and set this machine up to where it was flat over there. For the majority of the field, I've noticed that it's a little bit pitched forward. So to pitch the machine back, basically to get the front of the machine pitched a little bit back, more level with the ground, you're going to extend your top link. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. You can notice as I'm extending it, it should be raising the front of this implement up a little bit. Now we're just going to make minor adjustments and then see how it goes. He'll do maybe a couple more rounds and I'll kind of sit back and see. And as an operator, you can kind of get a go, maybe look back at the machine a little bit. And if it's pitched back a little bit too much and you need to go a little bit more forward to level with the ground, go ahead and shorten your top link. So just a quick tip. I wanted you guys to share that with you, and we'll get back to tedding today. Thanks. All right, you're good. We just got done tedding and spreading the field here, and we thought we'd share with you guys how to go from tedder to a rake on the TS100 belt rake. So Jeremy's going to take basically the hay stop arm off and then position it to where it's going to be out enough to where we're going to create the right size windrow that we are looking for here. And you can always manipulate that closer and further away depending on the size of windrow that you're looking for to basically be perfect for your specific baler. And then I am going to go ahead and move this right wheel down to where it's even and level with the left wheel. And that's about as easy as it gets. So you can watch us do it, and then we're going to go ahead and get started with raking this field and getting ready for baling. Looking good. All right. We just did one pass along the outside of the field to see what kind of adjustments we needed to make, and I needed to basically lower the machine a little bit closer to the ground. When you're tedding, it doesn't really matter that much. It can be a little bit, couple inches off the ground, and it's really just going to vortex affect all that hay up and spread it. Whereas raking needs to be at times a little bit closer to the ground to make sure you get a clean pickup of all the material, and what it comes down to is about 2 or 3 inches off the ground is what I have it set to right now, and it's doing a much better job at cleaning up the field. So we'll take another pass. If it needs to be a little bit more clean, I'll go ahead and lower this machine maybe one more notch closer to the ground with my 3-point hitch on float. So thought I would share that tip with you guys, and hope you enjoy the video of us raking the rest of the field. Hey guys, Tom and Jeremy from Tractor Tools Direct. Just wanted to do a quick recap for the day. Hopefully you think the same I think, that today went pretty well. It's a little hot today, but we like that because it's been really kind of cool and a lot of rain. So having the heat really does help to make hay. So as a quick recap for today, we did some tedding with the TS100 belt rake. Worked great. Then we actually ended up doing some raking in hopes that the sun is going to keep beating down on us until tomorrow, enough to where it's dry enough for us to come out here and bale tomorrow. If we can't bale tomorrow, then we're just going to have to kind of re-ted it out and re-rake it one more time. We might be able to slip a baling in at the end of the day. If not, then we'll come back the following day to do some baling with our TX31 mini round baler with net wrap. Other than that, this machine worked fantastic for tedding. Once we got the level of the tines closer to the ground, it seemed to work a lot better for raking. So that is a really key adjustment, to get the tines just off the ground but not touching the ground to where you could be potentially doing damage to the machine. So once you get that set up for your field, you should know how to do that. Mark your levels and notches, and you're basically rocking and rolling moving forward. Other than that, during the tedding process, I noticed when Jeremy was out in the field doing some tedding that the machine was kind of pitched forward. We extended the top link, got that all taken care of. So a few minor adjustments that is, assumed that we're gonna have to do something every time we go out and work with the implements. These were really minor adjustments that took just a few minutes. So couldn't ask anything better for this machine, the TS100 belt rake by Ibex. Other than that, guys, thanks again for watching the video. Hopefully you like, share, and enjoy the next. We'll be out here tomorrow, potentially baling or doing the same thing again, and we'll keep you updated. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out our Facebook forum, and comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.